I'm going to hand it over to Snehi for closing trades.
Absolutely. Let's take a look at how the market session has panned out today and what a day of trade coming in, because the pickup that we've seen, especially in the second half of the trading session, has been phenomenal. A very good Nifty expiry shaping for us today. So Nifty 25,256 at the highest point of the day is where we're closing 0.7% higher. Sensex too, similar moves coming in 0.8% higher for the Sensex. Good moves coming in for the Sensex in today's trade as well, about 650 points higher on the spot. Nifty Bank has also done decently well for itself. 0.5% uptick coming in, and you actually had names like Kotak Bank that was the top Nifty gainer today, more than a 2.5% uptick coming in on that stock. That has led the banking index to do very well for itself today. The broader end of the market was also quiet. Okay, mid cap was up 0.5%, but the small cap index continues its outperformance, once again exceeding the entire market breadth of the market and the benchmarks. A 1% move coming in on the Nifty small cap index as well. Advanced decline ratio looked very healthy. India VIX was lower by about 1.5%, so looking healthy on that front as well. Like we mentioned, Kotak Mahindra Bank, your top Nifty 50 gainer. Following that, you had L&T, M&M, Maruti Suzuki, Aisha, Bharti Airtel, Tata Steel, all of them trading above 2 or above 2% each. On the flip side, some pressure from Shriram Finance, Asian Paints, Tata Consumer, Nestle, Bajaj Finance. Nominal cuts coming in across all of these stocks. Sectorally, the day belonged to the auto indices. They were in the fast lane today. Good moves coming in across names like MRF, M&M, Bharat Forge, Aisha, Maruti. All of them have done well, followed by Nifty Realty. Good moves coming over here as well. Prestige, Phoenix, DLF, Anantraj. All of them continue to do very well. So along with that, you had IT, Energy, Metal, PSU banks and Pharma that have done very well for themselves. On the flip side, you only had one index that was slightly under pressure, and that's the entire Nifty FMCG space. So if you take a look at some names like Varun Beverages, Tata Consumer, Dabur, Marico, Nestle, Colgate, or some of these staples, they were under pressure today from the Nifty pack. Other than that, overall, very good move coming in on Reddington on the back of some block deals. A 20% uptick coming in on that stock. Godfrey Phillips up 7%. Aegis Logistics has done well today, along with GE Shipping, Mahanagar Gas, Chola Financial and GMR Airports, along with Aadhar Housing Finance. On the flip side, some pressure on JBM Auto, Garden Reach, Ola Electric, Brigade, Godrej Industries, Varun Beverages. So it's a mixed bag of Nifty 500 losers coming in. All in all, it's been a very good day of trade coming in for us. Some exuberance is something that we've finally seen in the market, and Nifty closing around that 25,250 mark. We'll give the rate some time to settle, but that's what it looks like at market close today. That's a wrap on closing trades. Thanks so much for tuning in.